Hi, this is Preetha and you're watching Dakshin Curry. Whenever we think of one pot meals, my favorites are a stir fry preparation using rice. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Vepambu Kalanda Saadam. Yes, using dried neem flowers. But before we get on to the recipe, do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of my recipes. There are quite a lot of ingredients, so let's quickly take a screenshot so that you have all the ingredients ready whenever you want to make the recipe. So the first step in making this stir-fried preparation is going to be making a spice mix. For that, I'm going to switch on the flame. I'm going to take some oil, and in that we are going to add some hing. We are going to add chana dal, around 2 tablespoons. We need to brown this. So midway I am going to add urad dal in this. Now again we need to roast this till it turns pinkish brown. So the urad dal has turned a pale brown color. At this stage I am going to add coriander seeds. Along with that, let's quickly add some black pepper, a fragrant aroma of coriander. This stage, some sesame seeds. Now, at this stage, we're going to add chilies. We're just going to crush it and add. And now, just roast this till you get a nice smoky aroma of the chilies. At this stage, I'm going to switch off the flame and then add cumin seeds. We don't need to roast the cumin seeds. The carryover cooking is going to happen in this pan because the pan is pretty hot. Mix well. Now all we need to do is transfer this onto a bowl and allow it to cool. Now once the mix is completely cooled down, what I'm going to do is I'm going to powder this into a nice fine powder. So as you can see, our powder is ready. It's not very coarse, at the same time it's not a very fine powder, and that's the way we want it. One last addition to this is going to be salt. And now we'll mix this. So now that this is mixed well, I'm going to keep it aside and we'll continue with the next step. So I have a pan here. This is around 2 tablespoons of ghee. And to this I am going to add the dried neem flowers. Now this is a good quantity. Around 4 tablespoons of dried neem flowers is going to go in this. So let's fry this till this turns a little crisp. And I am going to transfer this onto a plate. Now that our neem flowers are ready, let's get to the final step of mixing. We are going to go back to our sesame seed oil. In that we are going to add a good portion of garlic. Now along with this we are also going to add some curry leaves. So at this stage add a little bit of turmeric. And now we are going to add the rice. Now this is the short grain rice that we are adding. So I'll be adding around 2 cups of cooked kolam rice. And I'm going to coat this once before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now in this we'll add the neem flowers. And along with that the spice mix that we have made. Now like I said, spice mix is nice and spicy because it's got a great flavor of pepper and chilies. And last but not the least, we'll add some salt. And then all we need to do is mix this. I'm going to cover this and just allow it to absorb all the flavors on a low flame for say 1 to 2 minutes. So it's been around couple of minutes. Let's check. Nice. Now all that is left is serving this. So you've seen how to make Vepambu Kalanda Saadam. Yes, I agree, it's a little bit of an elaborate process, but trust me, it's worth it. And to top it off, it's super healthy too. Do try this recipe. I'm looking forward for your feedback. And if you have liked watching it, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.